Wednesday, June the 26th, and we're entering Mother's room, Mom's room, to wake her.
You're Larry. She's George.
I'm Larry.
I'm George.
And I'm yours, big gal. Okay, listen, we have something for you that we would love to. We're gonna be making you lunch. Hello, are you home? Please, where are you?
Oh my.
I just want to come over. Tell me what you'd like to have. Are you with us? You're having a rotten dream. I want to let you know that right now. And you're not even going to. You're wondering, how am I going to wake up? Hello? Hello? Are we here? Are we talking? Yes, it's real. Yes, it's real. That's the awful thing about it.
That's the dream.
You know what? You know what? You know what? I knew him one day. Did you know what? Hello! At any rate, tell me what it is. What do you want? Beans?
Beans.
Beans?
No beans.
Beans? All we've got is beans. Do you want beans?
No beans.
Hello! Listen. Listen to me. Can we talk for a minute? Lady. Look. Want cake?
No cake.
Want cake? You want a man? One man. All right. What color? Black. All right.
Oh my gosh.
What's his name? What do you want? What do you want on him?
What do you want on?
What do you want on the man?
Just put Kathy.
Hello. You know what? We're sending this to the people who are considering hiring you. Here's a job for you to do. You know what? You know what? Lady! Do you know what?